Hey guys, welcome back to this exciting tutorial how to create your first Android game. So subscribe and stay tuned. Android game has its pros and cons which you need to know before to start Android game. Android is not a complete Java implementations. Many of the packages that you may have used for OpenGL and other graphics development are included in Android SDK. Some useful packages for Android 3D game developers are not included. Android game gives less control over the environment the game is running on. I am going to write on Android game development in my blog, so stay tuned. So what do you need before to start a game? A good story. From simplest accurate game to complex role-playing game starts with a story. The story does not have to be anything more than that a sentence like, if I have a car for race. Story could even describe every weapon, challenge and achievements. Why stories matters? Story behind your game is important for few different reasons. It gives you a chance to fully realize your game from beginning to end before you begin coding. If your game is not fully realized before you begin working in your code, you will inevitably run into problems that can force you to go back to tweak or completely rewrite your code when finished. It will cost you time, money and sanity. And last thing that you may be forced to go back and change code that is finished and possibly even tested. So write your own story. Is writing down the story ensure that you will not forget or accidentally change anything of the details of your game. So what are the game elements and tools of Android game programming? Android Software Development Kit, OpenGL ES Graphics Library, AndEngine Game Engine Library, and graphics tools, and last one is the audio tools. Now how game engine works. A game engine needs to be able to take code a command from the game specific code and pass them directly to the hardware. This allows the games to run quickly and with all of the control that is need to be able to provide a rewarding experience. Why AndEngine Library? Game engine handles all of the grunt work of the game code. That's like graphics rendering, animations, sounds, collision detections, artificial intelligence, physics that is non-collision, threading and memory management, networking, and the last one is command interpreter. I will discuss all this in my upcoming tutorials. So Android game type. First is Android 2D game, Android 3D game and Android Unity game with cross-platform Unity game engine library. So thank you so much for watching this video. Visit unblog.com for more Android game programming. Hit like button and comments please if you really enjoy this video. See you on Sunday with new Android tutorials on Android game programming. Subscribe to my channel Multi Android Zone. Bye bye.